Bobombahin ulit ng Amerika ang Iran. Yan ang walang pag-aalinlangan na pagbabanta ni President Donald Trump. Pinaghihinalaan kasi na transport na o nalipat na ang uranium ng Iran bago bagsakan to ng B-2 bomber. Ibig sabihin, pwede pa din gumawa ng nuclear weapons ang Iran anytime soon at buwan lang ang itatagal niyan. Pero nauna ngang babala ni Trump na kung gagawa ulit ang Iran ng nuclears nila, hahanapin niyan ng Amerika at papasabugin ulit.
If the intelligence reports conclude that Iran can enrich uranium to a level that concerns you, would you consider bombing the country again?
Without question, absolutely.
And have you had any conversations?
Turned out to be unbelievable. I'm putting out a little statement. I'm going to respond to the Ayatollah's statement yesterday that we won the war. Oh, God, we won the war. And I said, look, you're a man of great faith, a man who's highly respected in his country. You have to tell the truth. You got beat to hell. And Israel was beat up too. They were both beat up. And it was a great time to end it. It was quick. They got the hate out. There was a lot of hate. A lot of hate. It would be great if they didn't have that hate. But the last thing they're thinking about is nuclear weapons right now.
Kahapon nga nagbabala rin si Khamenei na hindi pa tapos ang ganti ng Iran sa Estados Unidos. US want war, ika nga ni Khamenei, hindi daw natatakot dyan ang Iran. So malaki talaga ang tsansang may natatago pa ring nuclear bombs o nuclear weapons ang Iran na posibleng pangpasabog sa US. At talagang pinagplaplanuhan na to ng Iranian government. Pero sa tingin nga ni Trump, takot ang Iran na gumanti. At sa takot daw ng Iran, hindi na rin daw sila gagawa ng nuclear weapons. $1 trillion na rin kasi ang ginastos nila at nasayang lang tapos papasabugin pa ng US.
Wants to meet. As you know, their sites were obliterated. They're very evil nuclear sites. They were now has been proven. We had some fake news for a little while. I believe that, and again, time will tell, but I don't believe that they're going to go back into nuclear anytime soon. They spent over $1 trillion on nuclear and they never got it together. Let me say that I've been saying for 25 years, even as a civilian, you cannot let them have a nuclear weapon. And that's what happened. It's been obliterated. It would be years before they could ever get going. And I really think it's probably the last thing. They have to recover from a hell of a tough war.
Kayo, sa tingin nyo ba may natatago pa ang Iran na secret weapon? May nuclear missile pa kaya sila? Ano sa palagay nyo? I-komento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.